Promote Your Page ads. Let us continue inside the Facebook advertisement. In the last video, we've discussed about Boost Post ad. In this video, we're going to start with Promote Your Page or page-like advertisements. We've now seen how we can create a Facebook fan page. So in this video, we'll see the advantages, the methods, and the benefits of promoting your Facebook fan page through Facebook advertisement. First of all, Facebook page-like ads are used to increase your Facebook fan base quickly. Obviously, you can go inside your niche and you can increase your fan base exponentially. Ability to like your page from one click. Your prospect or your target market can like your page. After liking, they will begin to see your posts in their newsfeed. They'll start seeing your posts, your photographs, and your updates on a daily basis in their newsfeed. Obviously, just great for brand building. Questions typically work good for engagement ads. The goal is to get like and fan. So, what we'll do next is we'll go quickly inside my Facebook account, and we'll see how we can set up a Facebook fan page or a Facebook like ad quickly. First, we should go to Facebook Ads Manager, which is located here on the left side of the Facebook screen. It'll load up for a few seconds. You can also do this through your Facebook Power Editor, but since the Facebook Ads Manager is simple to work with, I'll show it through this particular method. The next step is to click on Create Ads. Then, you need to choose the objective of your campaign or your ad. For our demonstration, let's choose Promote Your Page, since our goal is to get likes for our page. After that, Facebook will ask you which particular fan page of yours you want to promote, or you can also enter the URL. After choosing the page, the next question is, who do you want your ads to reach? That means they are talking about your target audience. This is the most important thing, so you have to set up your audience or your target market correctly. Now, you can choose your custom audiences, but I'll keep that blank as for now. In locations, let's put 5 English-speaking countries, which are the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, and Canada. We can get a high reach by choosing these countries, and since English is our universal language, it is easy for us to connect and communicate with them. You should also include your home country, because you can also get a lot of audience here. Next is age. Let's keep it blank. Language, let's keep it blank. Here is important. Interest. In this particular page, which we want to promote, it is about making money online. Depending on the niche that you want to promote, you have to set this up. Let's put Make Money Online. Let's also put Online Lead Generation. Let's do one for online marketing. There are a lot of target people, so you just need to choose properly. So, you can see that we are increasing our potential reach over here. And as we have said before, the wider your reach is, the more number of people you have, which is totally better for you. And once you have input some keywords in there, Facebook is also going to help you by giving suggestions, which you can browse too. In behaviors, let's keep it blank for now. Next, under Connections, there's Facebook Pages, which is also very important, so you have to set that up appropriately. You could also exclude people who like your page already and add some more pages for that. But for our demonstration, I'll leave it blank. Moving on, you can choose your daily budget. You can choose $5 to $10 per day, and you can also set up the schedule of your ads. After completing that page, click on Choose Ad Creative. Nowadays, Facebook offers you 2 kinds of setup. One is your image setup, and the other is video. If you choose the image setup, you can upload your own images. Choose images from your Facebook page or from the stock images. On the other hand, if you choose the video setup, you can upload a video or choose from your library. You can also create a slideshow if that is better for you. Next, what text and links do you want to use? Inside the text box, we could write, helping you to become online marketing experts instantly. So you can see the ad preview on the right side of our screen. Then, let's check the advanced options. We could add a nice headline there. Usually you could just write the name of your fan page, so let's put it there. In the landing view, let's just keep it blank. So we're almost done with this. The good thing is, Facebook always gives you the ad preview at the right side immediately. You can see how it looks in the desktop newsfeed, the mobile newsfeed, and in the desktop right column. They all look different in each preview. So you also have the option to remove it if you don't like how it looks. I believe I have given you enough knowledge on how we can set up a Facebook page like ads. First, select the page you want to promote. Give a campaign name. Choose your locations, including your own country. Choose your interest very, very carefully. Then, you can exclude the people who like your page. See your target potential reach and set up your daily budget. You can even put ad set name also. Then, you can select your image or video and put your text and headline, which will all appear on the ad preview on the opposite side of the screen. Another cool thing which you must do, you have to create 3 or 4 sets of different ads with different images and headlines. This is to see which one is performing well and which is giving you the highest ROI. I believe we have discussed how to create your own Facebook fan page well enough. I hope you are enjoying this stuff, guys, as much as I enjoyed making the video. In the next video, we will make another Facebook advertisement, which is called the External Pages ad. This is where we will learn how to promote your other pages, other affiliate offers, or other pages through Facebook ads. Stay tuned, and this topic is going to make you super duper ninja. See you in the next video.